Hello! Today, I'm going to show you how to make a simple transition on Funimate. Want this? Okay, let's start. First, select your clip and go to Effects and pick Linear White. Progress 50, Angle to 170. Duplicate your clip and go to Linear White and change your angle to 90. Now go to your second clip and transform. And now go to Position and add keyframe at the start and middle or wherever you want. And at the second keyframe, drag your clip down or up and add mirror. And now cut your second clip. I don't know how to explain it, so just watch carefully. And now a graph. Now add directional blur, optional, and now add keyframe at the start and at end. First keyframe, 0, second keyframe, 50, copy my graph. You can also change it. Now add your third clip. Please watch carefully, cause I decay how to explain this. Now adjust your clip. And of course, don't forget to add mirror. After that, go to Position and add keyframe at the start, and this keyframe is optional, but I'll add mine at the end. And at the first keyframe, put your position down just like mine. Now add graph. If you don't like my graph, you can always change it. It's not done yet. I'm very sorry cause it's very laggy. And now go back to your third clip and add the effect called directional blur. Add keyframe at the start and at the end of your clip. Start 50, end 0. Add graph. Now exit group and add the effect whirl. Add keyframe at the start and end. First, 5, last, -5. The last step, this is optional, add pull edge. Watch carefully. I'm really tired editing this video, so I'm very sorry if you don't understand the explanation. Thanks for watching, bye.